Welcome students to the research methods in horticulture class. For today's topic is to understand the various areas of research in horticulture. These are the various areas of research in horticulture, and I would like to elaborate one by one each. The first one is crop production, and the crop production research area in horticulture basically investigates various practices to improve the yield, quality, and sustainability in the production of fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. And examples would include assessing various fertilization strategies, irrigation methods, and soil management practices. The second important research area in horticulture is nursery raising, which basically researches the advanced propagation techniques for the production of healthy and true to type plants. Examples would include vegetable grafting, uh, or rootstocks related research work, use of plant growth regulators, and devising various plant agriculture protocols for the nursery raising of horticultural crops. The third one is plant breeding, which focuses on developing new cultivars or varieties with the desired characteristics or traits such as disease resistance, improved flavor, improved yield and quality, and enhanced nutritional content. Examples would include hybridization, genetic engineering, and marker-assisted selection techniques. Another important research area in horticulture is pest management or biotic stress management uh, relevant research, which basically aims to understand the pest biology and develop effective strategies for managing pests while minimizing the environmental impacts. An example would include biotic stress management or researching biological methods to control the pests in the greenhouse setting, which is also called as the integrated pest management. Also assessing various biological control and the development of resistant varieties. Another important research area of the horticulture is abiotic stress management relevant research, which assesses the impact of or role of various abiotic stress management techniques. Example would include environmental control or protected cultivation environment, uh, assessing the various components of protected or environmental control environments, which may include assessing the impact of temperature, humidity, light intensity, light quality, light duration on the growth and production of horticultural crops. Then comes the soil fertility related to research work, which basically investigates the impact of various organic and inorganic fertilizer sources on the, I would say, better to say, nutrient sources on the soil health and plant productivity. Example would include nutrient use efficiency in various horticultural crops. Another research area is post-harvest technology, which explores methods to enhance the quality and shelf life of horticultural products after their harvest. Examples would include storage, assessing various storage techniques to packaging innovations and processing methods. Then we have another research area which basically aims to examine the environmental impact on the production of horticultural crops. In this research area, we basically aim at devising various uh, effective horticultural practices that may reduce the adverse impacts of climate change on the growth and development of growth, development, and production and quality of horticultural crops. Examples would include assessing the impact of agrochemicals, exploring various organic practices, and evaluating carbon footprints. And an important research area is also uh, crop growth modeling, based research work which aim at developing models to predict the crop growth and yield under varying environmental conditions. An example would include uh, simulations for environmental stress, assessing the impact of various environmental stress on the growth and production of horticultural crops uh, uh, by developing various simulation models, or applying various already developed simulation model for decision making. An important example would include DSAT, which is the state of the art crop growth model, which is used for the uh, assessing the impacts of environmental stress, and or in assessing the impact of various crop management strategies, or fertilization and irrigation strategies on the growth and development of crops. Such models can predict yield under various environmental and management conditions. So this is one of the emerging and very important research area in the field of horticulture, I would say. So finally, we have protected cultivation research area, which studies the advanced farming techniques under controlled environments. By controlled environment, I mean the that the researcher has uh, a complete or a semi uh, complete control over various plant growth determining factors such as temperature, light, humidity, CO2, etc. Examples, and important examples in this research area include assessing different hydroponics or aeroponics methods or strategies, as well as growing under plastic tunnels, assessing the impact of various types of plastic tunnels, such as low plastic tunnel, walking plastic tunnel, etc., as well as assessing the role of greenhouses to optimize the resource use and crop performance. So students, these were the important research areas of in the field of horticulture. Thank you so much for your time.